Today, we're gonna fish at Castaic Lake. But first, we're gonna see our fish. Come over here and walk out of time.
Here it is. Now, what are you feeding me?
Some lunch.
Some lunch? I think it's breakfast. Set the brine shrimp down. Let's try the tropical flakes.
Tropical?
We've got the flakes. Go ahead. Get some out of there. Let's try it out. Throw it in there. Oh yeah, here they come. Donna, 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 Donna. So that's our gourami. That's our angelfish. Got it very small. That's one of the red platies. Got all sorts of fish in here. We got a couple plecos that are hiding. Oh my God, is that a dead red platy? We have a dead fish, or it's upside down and stuck. Man, let's rescue it. Hold this one. Hold it right there. Gotta rescue our stuck platy. Oh my God, he was stuck.
Oh my God. What? Huh?
Is that?
Mom, I didn't bite him.
Well, that's not how we wanted to start the video at all, or start our morning before we go fishing, is it? We've had these fish for a long time. We've got leopard danios, rainbow shark, 2 angels, a gourami, and we had 4 red platies, but the other one just got stuck in here. And actually, I don't know why I put this back in here, now that I know they can get stuck. And if you haven't noticed, we've got a clothing line booked through Spreadshirt, man. We've got t-shirts for men, for women, for kids, for toddlers, sweatshirts, hats, and a little carry bag. Pretty awesome stuff. Go check it out if you haven't. The link to the website will be in the description if you want to support us. That'd be awesome. And what should we do? I think we should tell them to give us a thumbs up if you haven't. Hit that subscribe button and
click that bell.
We'll catch y'all out there.
How about you don't? That easy.
Well, we did not catch any fish, but on the other side of the lake is a giant beach swimming area. Ooh, I almost just ate it. Say what's up, guys. Well, I'm gonna get some underwater footage just for fun, and yeah, let's go enjoy the water. come this way. Come this way. Come on. Come on. Now swim to mom. Swim to mom. Yeah,